Hi, hello, good morning, and this is your fifth gear. Well, when I bought this bike in the beginning, I thought, okay, let me modify it, and I searched a lot in YouTube, and not many people have bought this bike. And one major minus point in this, you won't get any accessories. So what you have to do is like you have to buy an accessory which is very expensive, which is made for this bike, or you can get a budget friendly accessory which is for a different bike, and you can modify it to this one, which will cost like half of that. So let me show you one by one. So at the first, I'll start with the indicator. So the bulb which comes with this is this one, and if you look at the intensity, there will be a different intensity in this and this. So that's one of the major reasons I changed it. And the main thing is you cannot see the indicator bulb when you're riding in sunlight. So that's one of the major problems in this. And next, I wrapped the headlight with the sticker. That is not much of a big deal. And then let's move on to the handlebars. So I raised the handlebars for like 1.5 inch. So as you can see, it has been raised. Next comes with Bobo mobile holder. You get one more mobile holder which is like on X shape. But the X-shaped one will damage your phone's sensors. And one more thing is like if you use that holder and if you fall, it will crush your phone, because that is a different mechanism, and this holds simple. It's like U-shape, so it holds as simple. And next, let's come to tank pad. The tank pad which comes with Suzuki is only this small, and it is of a paper. That's not even a gel pad. It's just a paper one. So we changed that to this gel pad. And next comes blind spot mirror. This is very less compared to the other ones. This is like 50 rupees for a pair, and this will help very much if you're using for your vehicle for tours and everything, because I have experienced it. With this mirror you cannot see who's riding beside you, and if you're riding in a highway in high speed, that is very important. Who's riding beside you, that is very important. So next, let's jump to the main attraction, which is luggage carrier. Well, this I bought from JB Racing. This is of a JB Racing company, and this is of MT15 vehicle. So let me show you. So what we did was we bought MT15's carrier, and main thing is with MT15's carrier, what happens is that this rod, it comes till here, and you get one more small thin cable type of metal which comes here, which is suitable for MT15. But what we did, we bought a plate, we welded it to this pipe, and we made 4 holes, and this was like slant, it was straight, and we bent it in S shape, and we adjusted for Gixxer. And you can do that as well. So the carrier costed me around like 1700 and 800 for the modification as well. So one thing, they use their own metal plate which is of high quality. And there's one more plate. There's one more plate which they added here, and they made a hole and they welded it to this part. This part you get for using it, it is used for bungee cords. So what else? Next, one more good thing. So this is a crash card also of MT15. Which costed me around like 4,000, but they made a slight adjustment. One is this, they put a L-shaped clamp here and one U-shaped clamp here. That's all the modification they do, which is very good. And SimTac bulbs costed me around like 600 for 2 pairs. It's a combo, okay, it's a combo box. You get like 4 bulbs in one box, which will cost you around like 600. And next I have installed X flash, which I cannot open and show you right now. So X flash will go here below the seat. Which is like around 1200, and if you get a good dealer it will cost you even less. There are two types of hazard flashers. One is of local, which they install it behind your this thing headlight. So what they do is like they open your headlight and here they fit that local flasher, which is of like 300-350 rupees. But the main minus point of the is that they'll cut wires, which is a major no, and that will stop working after like 6 months or a year, which I have experienced already. And after that I bought X flash, which will go here, and for that you don't have to cut any wires, nothing. You just have to directly install it, and you can do it yourself, which I did. The Bobo charger which I bought, the holder which I bought is like it's with charger, so there is a USB port here. And one more thing, when you buy a Bobo holder or any mobile holder with charger, make sure you tell the mechanic that they should connect it for ignition. Same goes with that. You can install your holder two types. One is of, you can install it here, you can give it for ignition. They take the wire, they plug it to ignition. And one major plus point is that if you connect it to ignition, whenever your bike is on, only at that time power will go to this. But if you connect it directly to the battery, which most of them will do because it is easier to install, so most of the garage people will tell you to install it directly to the battery. So what happens, anyone can plug it, anyone can use it. So that is all the accessories which we used. So that's all.